This is the Trident 660 by Triumph. Naked bike, but kind of a hark back to the classic naked bikes. You do get anti-lock brakes as standard. It is in a nice colour scheme. It is a triple, I believe. Triple. Yeah, triple. Less than 100 horsepower, so fairly quick on the road. Good balance between power, torque and MPG, so you should get probably 45 MPG plus from this. You do get a quick shifter as standard. Naked bike, so there is no wind protection, there is nothing directing the air away from you, so you will get quite a lot of buffeting on this. But if that's a problem for you while you're looking at a naked bike, you need fairings. But you do get cruise control for 660. That's pretty good. You do get different modes to use. You get your starter, your kill switch, and a TFT. And it's not a massive TFT, isn't it? So you're gonna, I assume, you have your rev counter and your speedo. You've got a fairly generous fuel tank as well. The graphics look quite nice for it. I think the graphics look actually pretty good. Should be pretty reliable. Liquid cooled. My only worry is that cap. It's very easy for someone to walk by. It looks like they could undo the cab and yeah, ruin your engine. But hey, it's also got this like this integrated rear light cluster. The indicators are down there. But yeah, if you're looking for a naked bike,